Everyone, myself Arun and I am here to present this topic Bluetooth technology. Firstly, we will discuss what is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short range and low power wireless technology originally developed for exchanging the information between two devices over a short range. In 1998, Bluetooth technology is officially introduced and the Bluetooth SIS is formed. Bluetooth technology's intended basis purpose is to be wire replacement technology in order to rapidly transfer voice and data. In 1999, Bluetooth 1.0 specification is introduced. Bluetooth version 2.0 plus EDR enhanced data rate is introduced. Devices using version 2.0 plus EDR begin to hit the market in late 2005. Now we will discuss how it works. When device is put in discoverable mode, it only knows about itself. Inquiry identifies who else in the range. There are of two type of links between the devices. The first one is paging that create a link between a single to single device, and another one is expanding that creates a link between multiple devices. Bluetooth network topologies. It is capable of point to point and point to multi point connections. These are of two types, Piconet and Scatternet. Piconet is a master device, one which has 1 to 7 active slave units and have a Piconet channel. Scatternet is a group of Piconets up to a maximum of tens, a way of connecting a device to multiple master. It has full duplex rate of more than 6 MB per second. Now we will discuss the privacy and security of Bluetooth technology. As it is wireless technology, the security is not great, only a pairing security the Bluetooth has. Now we will see the where the Bluetooth technology is used. As it is easy to use, connection is fast and simple. More devices are Bluetooth capable like laptops, gaming consoles, headsets, cell phones, printer, etc. As diverse applications with Bluetooth because of faster transfer rate, stronger connection, longer distance, good for short range, limitation on file size, limitation on distance, but it is convenient, faster, more simple than flash drive.